Jinhaili in the 26th Leather Shoe Vietnam. This July, we were delighted to welcome customers and partners from around the world to explore our latest footwear manufacturing technologies. Throughout the exhibition, visitors experienced live machine demonstrations, discussed production solutions with our technical team, and discovered how Jinhaili helps manufacturers improve efficiency and product quality. One of the highlights was our EVA double-color foaming machine, designed to produce lightweight, dual-color EVA preforms with excellent flexibility, consistent density, and reliable quality. Another featured solution was our Midsole fully automatic vacuum molding machine. Equipped with advanced vacuum molding technology, it delivers precise shaping, stable production, and outstanding consistency for high-performance sports midsoles. The exhibition was filled with valuable conversations, new partnerships, and exciting opportunities for future cooperation. We will continue to introduce innovative technologies and advanced footwear machinery to support manufacturers around the world. Stay connected and follow Jinhaili as we continue to grow and shape the future of footwear manufacturing.